Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Bhavika. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we'll be creating a black smoky eye look, and I'll be creating this eye look in very easy way so that you can also create this eye look. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have already done my eyebrows, so I'm starting with this lightest shade of concealer. Applying it all over my lids properly. And then I'm going to blend it. After applying this concealer, I will be locking this concealer with the help of translucent powder. So I am taking this triangular puff and a translucent powder. And now I'll lock this concealer with the help of this translucent powder. So for eye makeup, I'll be using this palette from Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and you can use any palette which have brown colors. So I'll start with this brown color, this one, and I'll be taking this fluffy brush, big fluffy brush, taking the product, dusting off, and you have to apply it on your crease line, just like this. Apply it on the crease line and then blend it on the circular motion. Also, the brush which I'm using is from Beautylicious and the number is BLE301. So now after blending this, I'll be taking the gel eyeliner. Using this gel eyeliner from Mars. This is black gel eyeliner. And to apply this, I'll be using this flat brush. This is in number 303. So firstly start it with a little amount and then we'll take it from down to upwards. Slowly we'll take it to the upward direction. You have to take it till the crease line. Next, I'll be taking this small blending brush. This is from Prosh in number P24. Next, I'll be taking this dark brown color, dusting off the excess. And now I'm going to blend this with a transition color. Also, for the good smoky effect, you need to blend this black and brown color very properly. So give it a good time in blending. You just need to move your brush in a circular motion. So next I'll be taking this fluffy brush, and it has no eyeshadow color on it right now, and I'll be just running it over my eyelids in my crease area. just like this so that it looks even. Also letting you know that if you don't have any black gel eyeliner, so you can use a black kajal or black eyeshadow instead, and you can see the colors are blended properly. So I'm done with my this eyelid. I'll be quickly do my another eye and I'll be right back. After that we'll be doing my lower lash line and we'll be moving forward. Done with my both eyelids, and we'll be moving to our lower lash line. And whenever you're doing this smoky eye look, it's very must to do the lower lash line, otherwise it will not give you the proper smoky eye effect. So for the lower lash line, I'll be using this kajal from LE18, the black kajal. I'll be applying it on my waterline. I'll be making it more intensify at the outer corners. Next I'm taking this pencil brush to smudge it out this kajal. After this, from the same brush, I'll be taking the brown color with the kajal, and now I'll be applying it below the kajal. First of all, placing it all over the lower lid, and then blending it. Same with this side, placing the color first and then blending it. Now I'm done with the lower lash line, and now I'll be applying the mascara. This one from the palette. We'll just apply at the inner corner of the eye. Also applying the highlighter on my brows. So yeah, this is the complete eye look. I hope I have explained you each and every step for this tutorial. So I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.